Okay, I'm going to work on the first problem in the 2018-2019 contest season, ACSL season 2018-2019 contest number 4. This is the first problem. It's a graph theory question. Draw the adjacency matrix for the directed graph on the right, at the right. Okay, so to draw the adjacency matrix, first we have to so we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, and then the top we would have A, B, C, D, and E, and F. So basically it's a grid, or you could think of it as like a spreadsheet, right? Okay, so, and then this is on the, so on the left side, this is the from, and then on the top, that is the to. So can I go from one of the vertices on the left side to one of the vertices that's listed on top? Okay, so can I go from A to A? So A to A would look like this. Okay, if it was there. Can I go to A to A? No. So that's a 0. Can I go A to B? Yes, I can go from A to B. I see the arrow. That's 1. So 0 equals no path. No path. Okay. 1 equals yes. Yes, there is a path. I'm sorry. I'm trying to right with the mouse and it's not that difficult. It's pretty difficult to do that with the mouse. Okay. 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 0 means no path. 1 means yes, there is a path. Okay. Can I go from A to C? Can I go from A to C? Nope. That arrow doesn't exist. There's no arrow. That's a 0. Can I go from A to D? Can I go from A to D? Yes. There is an arrow. There is an arrow. So I can do, okay, A to D. Yes, there is a path from A to D. Oh, and by the way, so the adjacency matrix describes so everything has a length of 1. So like this would be a length of 1. This is a length of 1. This B to B would be a length of 1. Okay, so just keep in mind that this would be a length of 1. Okay, so that's a length of 1. Okay, can I go from A to E? Can I go from A to E? No. There is an edge, but it's doesn't go from A to E. It only goes from E to A. Can I go from E to A? No. Can I go from A to F? Yes. There is an arrow from A to F. That's a true. Okay, A to F. Okay, now we go to, now we're doing the B. Can I go from B to A? Can I go from B to A? Yes, you can go from B to A. So that's 1. Can I go from B to B? Yes, there's an arrow that goes from B to B. Okay, so that's a 1. Can I go from B to C? Yes, I can go to B to C. I can go from B to C, so that's a 1. Can I go from B to D? Is there an arrow from B to D? No, there is no arrow from B to D. Okay, so that's a 0. Can I go from B to E? Can I go from B to E? Nope, there's no arrow from B to E, so that's a 0. Can I go from B to F? Yes, there is an arrow from B to F. Okay, there is an arrow from B to F. Okay, so that's a 1. Okay. So now let's do, can I go from C? Can I go from C to A? Can I go from C to A? Nope. There's no C to A. So that's a 0. Can I go C to B? Can I go to C to B? Nope. There's an arrow from B to C, but there's no arrow from C to B. B to C, yes. C to B, no. So that's a 0. Can I go from C to C? Is there an arrow that goes back to C? Is there an arrow that goes back to C? Nope. So that's a 0. Is there an arrow that goes from C to D? Yes, there is an arrow that goes from C to D. Okay, so that's a 1. Is there an arrow that goes from C to E? Is there an arrow that goes from C to E? Nope. Nope, that's a 0. There's no path from C to E. Is there a path from C to F? Can I go from C to F? Nope. Nope, that's not there. That's not there. Okay, I'll just quickly try to do the rest of it. Is there from D to, can I go, is there an arrow from D to A? Nope, that's a 0. Is there an arrow from D to B? Nope, that's a 0. Is there arrow from D to C? Yes, there's a D to C. Okay. Is there arrow? Is the arrow that goes? Nope, nope. There's no D to D. That's a 0. Is there arrow from D to E? D to E? Nope, that's a 0. Is there arrow from D to F? D to F? That's a 0. Okay, now we'll do E. Is there an arrow from E to A? Yes, there is an arrow from E to A. Is there an arrow from E to B? E to B. E to B? No, there's no E to B. Is there an arrow from E to C? E to C? Yes, there's an arrow from E to C. Is there an arrow from E to D? E to D? Yes, there's an arrow from E to D. Is there an arrow from E to E? Okay, yes, there's an E to E. Is there E to F? No. Okay, the last one is the F. Okay, F. Is there F to A? Yes, there's F to A. Is there F to B? Is there F to B? No, there's no F to B. Is there F to C? Is there F to C? No. So that's a 0. Is there F to D? F to D? F to D? No. Is there arrow from F to E? F to E? Yes, there's an arrow from F to E. Is there arrow from F to F? Nope. Okay. So this is our adjacency matrix. Okay. And typically you would write it this way. You would write it in this fashion. You don't even, because you just assume that the letters, you can assume what the letters are, the letters for the nodes or vertices. So typically you would write it out like this, and you just assume that the A B B B A B B B B like that. So you just assume that. You don't have to write the letters, but okay. So you would write it like this. So that's how you would write it out. Okay. Okay, so this is the adjacency matrix I have. And wait a minute here. Where's my record? Okay, so I double checked. So I checked my solution against the solution section in the PDF for the 2018-2019 ACSL season, contest number 4. And okay, I checked went through each row, and my solution, my adjacency matrix, and the solution, the adjacency matrix and the solution, they matched up. So I did get it correct.